we start molecular orbital theory, MOT, molecular orbital theory. This theory is given by Hund and Mulliken and modified by Gillespie and Nylon. According to this theory, two atomic orbitals combines and they forms two molecular orbitals. Two atomic orbitals combines and they forms two new molecular orbitals. One which has less energy known as bonding molecular orbitals, while one which have higher energy known as anti-bonding molecular orbital. Number of molecular orbitals is equal to the number of atomic orbital participated. जितने एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल भाग लेते हैं उतने ही नए एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल प्राप्त होते हैं. जितने एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल भाग लेते हैं उतने ही नए मॉलिक्यूलर ऑर्बिटल प्राप्त होते हैं और उसमें से एक की एनर्जी कम होती है जिसे हम बॉन्डिंग कहते हैं, एक की ज़्यादा होती है हमारे पास में, उसे हम एंटी बॉन्डिंग मॉलिक्यूलर ऑर्बिटल कहते हैं. वन विच हैज़ लेस एनर्जी known as bonding molecular orbitals, one which has more energy known as anti-bonding molecular orbitals. Filling of electrons in orbitals governed by Hund, Pauli's and Above principle. जिस प्रकार से हम एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल्स के लिए हुंड, पॉली और अबोव नियम का पालन करते हैं, यहाँ पर भी इनको हुंड, पॉली, अबोव नियम का पालन करना होता है. इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज एनर्जी लेवल डायग्राम. इन कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम आपसे वो बॉन्ड ऑर्डर पूछने के लिए कहते हैं, कैलकुलेट द बॉन्ड ऑर्डर ऑफ स्पीसीज. तो फर्स्ट वी डिस्कस molecular orbital diagram of simple diatomic molecules and calculation of bond order. The bond order is calculated with the help of formula Nb minus Na divided by 2. The bond order BO is determined with the help of formula Nb minus Na divided by 2. Nb, number of electrons present in bonding molecular orbitals. Na, number of electrons present in anti-bonding molecular orbitals, and half. The bond order is defined as just half of the difference between electrons present in bonding molecular orbitals and anti-bonding molecular orbitals. Bond order is defined as half of the difference between electrons present in bonding molecular orbitals and anti-bonding molecular orbitals. Understand? Here we take the example of molecular orbital diagram or energy level diagram of H2 molecules. How hydrogen molecule is formed? Hydrogen molecule is formed by the combination of two atoms of hydrogen. To draw the MO diagram, at first we require two axes, one for first atomic orbital, another side for second atomic orbitals. Here we write MO diagram, here we write increasing energy level. increasing energy level. MO diagram, increasing energy level. At first, we draw first hydrogen atom, atomic orbital of first hydrogen atom 1s1. Here there is no difference in energy level, so it is just parallel. इसको बनाते समय ध्यान रखना है ये दोनों एक ही सीध में बनना चाहिए, ये दोनों की एनर्जी लेवल में कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है। तो ये सेकंड 1s1, फर्स्ट एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल, दिस इज नोन एज सेकंड एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल। फर्स्ट एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल, दिस इज सेकंड एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल। When two atomic orbital combines, they form two new molecular orbitals. One has less energy, one has higher energy. The molecular orbital which has less energy known as bonding molecular orbital, while orbital which have more energy known as anti-bonding molecular orbital, sigma 1s, sigma anti-bonding 1s. Now the filling of electron obeys all the rules. The first electron goes here, second electron also goes to this because the energy level of sigma anti-bonding is higher. So first electron of first atom goes to the sigma bonding 1s, and second electron from second atom is also goes to sigma 1s because sigma anti-bonding has higher energy. Now we calculate bond order. Bond order BO is equal to NB minus NA divided by 2. NB, number of bonding electrons is 2, anti-bonding में कुछ नहीं है, 0 by 2 means 2 by 2 means 1. So it is a correct statement. Between hydrogen and hydrogen single bond is there हमारे पास में, हाइड्रोजन अणु के बीच में सिंगल सिग्मा बंध पाया जाता है। क्वेश्चन में आता है मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टी। मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टी कैसे हम करेंगे? एक सिंपल फार्मूला है, यूपी उत्तर प्रदेश और प्यारे दोस्त पीडी, उत्तर प्रदेश और प्यारे दोस्त। If unpaired electrons are present, then the substance should be paramagnetic, and if all electrons are paired, the substance should be diamagnetic. In these species, electrons are paired, so according to our formula, paired electrons तो diamagnetic in nature. तो यदि आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है कैलकुलेट बॉन्ड ऑर्डर एंड मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ हाइड्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल्स, तो द बॉन्ड ऑर्डर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल्स इज 1 एंड इट इज डायमैग्नेटिक इन नेचर ड्यू टू प्रेजेंस ऑफ पेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन। नाउ वी टेक सेकंड एग्जांपल, कैलकुलेट बॉन्ड ऑर्डर एंड प्रिडिक्ट मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ H2+1 आयन। यदि आपसे H2+1 आयन में बॉन्ड ऑर्डर कैलकुलेट करने के लिए पूछ लिया तब क्या करेंगे, कैसे निकालेंगे इसको? मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टी पूछ ली, किस प्रकार का है, अनुचुंबकीय प्रतिचुंबकीय है। तो लेट्स टेक एग्जांपल ऑफ H2+1, हाइड्रोजन atom plus hydrogen cation is equal to H2 plus 1. Here this is simple hydrogen atom. There is no donation or acceptation of electrons, while plus charge is come when hydrogen loses its electron, means इसके पास जीरो है. यहां दो एक्सिस बनेंगे, दो पहलवान है, एक अंबाले का है, एक पटियाले का है. There are two fighters, wrestlers. यहां हम बनाएंगे atomic orbital of first hydrogen atom, here atomic orbital of second hydrogen atom. It contains one electron. There is no electron in hydrogen ion. Atomic orbital of hydrogen ion, and this is atomic orbitals of hydrogen atom, and this is now MO of hydrogen molecule ion. Sigma 1s, sigma antibonding 1s. Only one electron is present, it will goes to sigma 1s. Now we calculate bond order. The formula is bond order is equal to Nb minus Na by 2, means 1 minus 0 by 2, तो हमारे पास हो जाएगा 0.5. Bond order is 0.5. Similarly, for the H2 minus 1, how we can draw MO diagram? H2 minus 1 is formed by the combination of hydrogen atom and hydrogen anion. Here this is simple hydrogen atom. When it accepts one electron, it becomes anion, means it contains two electron, means 1s2. यहाँ हमें इस बात को ध्यान देना है, माइनस साइन है. नेगेटिव साइन कब आता है? जब इलेक्ट्रॉन ग्रहण किया जाता है. इस इलेक्ट्रॉन ग्रहण किया है, इस इलेक्ट्रॉन ग्रहण किया, इसलिए इस पर माइनस चार्ज आया. एक इलेक्ट्रॉन खुद का था, एक ग्रहण कर लिया, इसके पास दो हो गए, हमें 1s2 लिखा. फर्स्ट वन में लिखा 1s1. Now we draw MO diagram. Atomic orbital of hydrogen atom, atomic orbital of hydrogen ion. This is atomic orbital of hydrogen atom, atomic orbital of hydrogen ion. Electron 1, number of electrons 2. When two atomic orbital combines, they form two new molecular orbital. One has higher energy, known as bonding molecular orbitals. One has lower energy, known as bonding molecular orbital, while one has higher energy, known as anti-bonding molecular orbitals. It is represented by sigma 1s, it is represented by sigma anti-bonding 1s. When two atomic orbital combines, they form two molecular orbital. One which has lower energy, known as bonding molecular orbitals, while which one has higher energy, known as anti-bonding molecular orbitals. Now, filling of electron is governed by Hund's law, Pauli's law, and Above principle. Here 3 electrons are present. First electron goes to sigma 1s, second electron goes to sigma 1s, while third electron enters into sigma antibonding 1s, because there is no vacant space is available. We can calculate bond order with the help of formula. Bond order is equal to Nb minus Na by 2. Bond order is just half of the difference between electrons present in bonding molecular orbitals and anti-bonding molecular orbitals. So, BO is equal to Nb minus Na divided by 2. Now, we discuss number of bonding electrons 2, number of anti-bonding electrons 1, 2 minus 1 by 2 means 1 by 2 means 0.5. So, the bond order is 0.5. Here we discuss that the bond order of hydrogen molecules is 1, for cation 0.5, for anion 0.5. Magnetic property, diamagnetic, paramagnetic, it is also paramagnetic. So, in the same way we can determine the bond order and magnetic property of most of the compound. Now, we discuss the formation of molecular orbitals of fluorine, nitrogen and oxygen, starting from oxygen.